Here is the Vulcan 4016. Here's the front with 2 drawers, some power supplies. And here's the back with the hot swappable fans. I'll talk you through everything step by step. Firstly, we're going to take out a drawer. Pull it about halfway until it hits the safety mechanism, which stops it accidentally falling out. Push this tab down and carry on pulling. Now you can see, got 4 slots at the back and 4 slots for GPUs at the front. Normally, for your IOs, you'll put them at the front because it's easier to feed out the IOs. If you put them in the back, then you just need to feed the cables through this rubber slot here, over the top and through the slot. In the back, you can see we've got additional power cables for the GPU. Talking about power cables, we've got 3 power supplies here. Each one is 3 kilowatts. Again, easily removable. And in this case, one of them is redundant. So if one fails, you still can operate as normal. So last thing to talk about on the front is the LEDs. You've got the power LED, system LED, and of course the drawers have the device LEDs. Looking around at the back, there's 3 things to look at. You've got your hot swappable fans. These are dual rotor, as you can see, extremely easy to remove and replace. Then you've got your 220 volt supply, as you'll all be familiar with. And then, if you're using a host adapter, you'll need your CDFP cable. Of course, you'll attach it like this. And that's your system.